This is question number 11 of 1000. So we need to find the integral from 2 to 4 of 3x sine of pi over 6 times the square root of 3x squared minus 12 divided by square root of 3x squared minus 12 with some disrespect to x. So if we take u equals to square root of 3x squared minus 12, we get that du is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 3x squared minus 12 times 6x dx. We can cancel out the 2 and the 6 and we're left with 3x in the numerator. All of this to the other side and we get that square root of 3x squared minus 12 du over 3x is equal to dx. Remember our substitution that u was equals to square root of 3x squared minus 12. So let's change this to u. Now let's plug in the values of u and dx back into the integrand. So our integrand just becomes 3x times sine of pi over 6u divided by u times u over 3x du. Now don't forget to change your bounds, as when x is 2, u becomes square root of 3 times 2 square, which is 4, minus 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, so u becomes 0. And when x is 4, u becomes 3 times 16 minus 12, which is square root of 36, which gives us 6. Now simplify this integrand further. This u and u cancels out, and 3x and the 3x cancel out. And we're left with integral from 0 to 6 of sine of pi over 6 u du. Now remember that integral of sine of ax dx is just negative cos of ax over a plus c. So if a is pi over 6, we get that integral from 0 to 6 of sine of pi over 6 u du is just negative cos of pi over 6 u divided by pi over 6, evaluated from 0 to 6. Now we can move this denominator and multiply the reciprocal, so we get 6 over pi times negative cos of pi over 6 u evaluated from 0 to 6. So we get negative. Now evaluate at the endpoints using the fundamental theorem of calculus, and we get negative 6 divided by pi times cos of pi over 6 times 6, which is just cos of pi, which is negative 1, subtracted by cos of 0, which is 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So our final answer becomes